Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can enable and use vertical tabs on Chrome on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to update your Google Chrome browser to the latest version. Simply open Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon, open settings, here click on about Chrome and check for Google Chrome update. Once you have installed the latest version of Google Chrome browser, navigate to Chrome Flags page. Here search for vertical tabs and from the drop-down menu, select enable and click on relaunch. After that, right click on the tab area. Here you will find the option called show tabs vertically. Select this option and it will enable vertical tabs on your Chrome browser. There is also another method to enable it. For that, click on this three dot icon, click on settings. Here click on appearance option. Here you will find tab position. From the drop down menu, select vertical. So that's it. This is how you can enable and use vertical tabs on Chrome on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.